अरे नहीं वो ओए मैं वो कराओ
माइक दो से माइक दो भाई माइक दो
Victory to Yamraj! Victory to Yamraj!
Silence! Silence! I am sleeping peacefully. Who brought me here? Where is Chief Cook? Call him quickly.
What should I do? You are my fellow was not leaving me alone. I just escaped. Yamraji, the party is ready. Call him.
Yes, caller. Let's see who is the new guest.
Wow! This bar is a bit too royal! Will I get alcohol here?
This is not a bar. This is Yamraji's court.
Who are you?
My name is Monica. Yesterday, I had 20 packs at the party. Then I climbed onto the tank. Then I directly died.
I heard that you have come died upstairs. Record says that you drink alcohol and dance and making tinkling sounds.
Used to do making twinkling sound. You have the swag of the party. Come on, give me a drink. Wow, what a taste! Daughter Monica, you will going to heaven at Friday night. There will be celebrating in your name.
Yes. Next time we will send a DJ with them. You stand aside. Let's call the second party.
Yes, on them. Silence!
Wow, what is this place? The light is good. Let me make a reel first.
We're not you the man. Let's work and more reels.
I am the multitasking queen working with hookahs. The reel went viral.
Died in pursuit of reels.
While swimming, I was doing the upside down challenge, hanging from the ceiling fan.
Your decision is pending. Please come my side and call them the third party.
Where am I? Which place is this? This is Yamlok, and we are sending you to the hell.
Sending me to the hell? What nonsense is it?
she is going to heaven.
She is going to heaven. I pray daily to God. Even in this generation, I am living with my parents. And she is going to the heaven and I am going to the hell.
Now, what's this?
So. This man says that he left his parents, fulfilled his duties in this modern era. Then why your Lord has sent him to hell? Why? The question is why he has sent him to hell but when he's fulfilled all his duties in this modern era. Let's go back and see the reality of this good man he's pretending to be.
Son, have you come?
What? What are you saying? Why are you talking like this to your mother?
So how should I talk? I have told many times to sign the property papers. But no, you don't listen at all. My word don't affect you at all, right?
What any manner behavior you have shown this? I can't accept this type of behavior from you. You are my son.
Please calm down. He is our child.
No. He is our child, but he can't love us, but he loves our property.
Also, this man has a question that why the alcoholic woman has sent to heaven? Why she sent to heaven? What did she did different in the past? So let's go back and see the reality of that alcoholic woman. What did she good that she had sent to heaven?
Mama, I'm back from office.
Daughter, have you come? You don't eat time to take food. Please take some rest.
Okay, Mama. But what happened with father? Papa?
Dear daughter, you will not even arrange Tory for you. I don't know how we shall be able to get you to marry.
It's okay, Papa. You don't have to worry about my marriage. If you both are with me, that's enough for me. I don't need anything else.
Also, he claims that he was a devotee man in the past. He worshipped God, prayed to the God, and many more things he had done good in the past. Then why Yamraj has sent to the jail? Is only prayer and offerings enough for the heaven or something? Kindness and compassion is also important. Let's go back and see the reality.
Sir, give me something to eat, sir. Sir is coming. He will bring something to eat for sir. Sir, give me something to eat. Sir.
Not for you. This is for my God.
Ma'am, give me something to eat, please. Ma'am.
Take it.
Now that we have seen both sides of the story, so let's return to the court of Yamraj where the final decision awaits. So let's get back to the court of Yamraj.
Now you understand why are you going to hell, right? You never respect your parents. You never helped anyone. You thought only about yourself. Do you think God will be happy? God is happy when you help people in need, not just you have offering in temple. That's why you are going to hell and this girl going to heaven.